The 2025 Porsche Cayenne is said to be an exciting addition to the Porsche lineup with its all-electric powertrain and updated design, with the gas-powered models and hybrid versions also carrying on. Porsche is giving customers a wide range of options to choose from, catering to their varying needs and preference. The Cayenne continues to be a leader in the mid-size crossover SUV segment and is expected to maintain its position with this latest iteration. As for the all-electric version, Porsche has not released any details on the power and performance. However, we can expect it to be at least as powerful as the current top-of-the-line Turbo GT model, which produces 631 horsepower. The electric powertrain will offer instant turbo and should provide accelerating performance. Design. While the powertrain may be all-electric, the exterior design of the 2025 Porsche Cayenne will not stray too far from its gas-powered siblings. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne EV will feature a familiar design approach with a mid-size SUV silhouette and proportions similar to the current third-generation model. However, we can expect Porsche to implement its new design language. (2025) Porsche Cayenne Release Date and Price. Overall, the 2025 Porsche Cayenne is shaping up to be an impressive addition to the luxury SUV market. However, the all-electric version will also be notably more expensive than its internal combustion siblings. The exact sum is still unknown. On the other hand, gas-powered models should start at around $73,000, while the hybrid is expected to start at around $90,000.